Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to continue the vlog from yesterday because we never vlogged enough yesterday, I think. So me and Shana got shop because days are better than I want to go. No, I'm to the boy behind me. We're ignoring him. So we got shop. Thank God the sun come down. Look, blazing hot. So we got shop because we go cook and then go river. Probably should say that. We go cook curry chicken and rice. Is that rice? What if they sell cabbage out the road?
But we would have to go up on the road.
I mean, what a supermarket, never mean.
Oh no, they're not safe. Hey, I'm telling you about some Jamaican man now. Yes, so when you call, yeah, you're not answering, do everything to look attention. That's why enough woman face to do them. Enough woman.
We just ignore them. Oh, see, one lady has to sell cabbage. Oh, we are coming back. That's nice. I talked about the boy that behind me before, but we ignore him. I told about who shots a bus out. Every shot a bus out in a look for my body. Ever so? We shots a bus out in just feeding, yeah. I don't understand the man here. But hey, the shots a bus out.
Oh, that's true, I idiot in a say if we answer him now, you're here, so we're not
exactly. Sometimes we just love people and then do them thing. We know the boyfriend Adam. But hey, your shots are bust out. If your shots are bust out fully, yeah, look for somebody jaw. Because we have a panty and all nothing in it. So nothing wrong if your shots are bust out. And we know it now bust out.
I'm not a Chinese friend. I was just there. I got baby. I got 14 me from Betty and Chinese. But I said, if I come back, you know, yes, I will reach out. I said, that's supposed to say taxi man this stuff. So I know when Chinese come back down empty as hell. And nobody knows if you go in a car.
So you go in a car then instead of in a Chinese?
Betty then car and Sunday car. You know yeah, on Wednesdays we wear pink. Pink now show kind pink.
Today Wednesday, no? Today Wednesday, Thursday.
Which one I did them?
Yesterday, Thursday.
Oh yes, for true. The week all ago.
Thursday, yeah, Thursday.
Oh, tomorrow is sports day.
Yeah.
Is this my look, son? I look black. Me first get up my color.
Somebody missing?
A long time something.
She come back?
I don't even know she come back now. I don't know. A long time.
She can look like something that's son in that way. Understand? Sabrina then.
Oh, she? The girl up on the book, sir?
No, she.
Oh, she. And a young girl, you know?
Hello. Chicken. Alright, let's do that.
You want to put on meat? Yeah, bless him. Mentor? I want to go in there.
It no matter what in it. But we don't want too much wing.
2 pounds of meat, please.
Don't put on your coffee. Oh, you don't want too much wing?
They invite you to have one bag of chicken. Make sure I check up and I'll give you one bag of chicken. Then you do 2.
I want more bag juice.
Go buy next guy.
Fruit bag juice.
You can go buy the chicken.
Yeah, it's okay. No, then just put them in. You know what, one too?
I look with that.
We are on the mixed part. Oh, we have curry. That's it.
We have curry, we have rice, we have butter.
You have onion and it?
Yeah, we have onion. And Uncle Cake have pepper farm.
Yeah, I know that Uncle Cake have pepper farm too.
You can buy one Irish. Put in the cut up in the day.
We buy one lady. Not the rest one. I just garlic. Just garlic
and you must say I have no phone plate left over there? Nice one, down.
Yeah, that is nice.
It's just a period side here.
Hope it don't rain. Hope it not rain because the cloud them big and grey. Although what they look like so they're gonna fall and it not fall, no way. Nothing never happen. After me Bethany wake up I said, I go watch Mr. Bethany out the door full of cloud. Like it's gonna rain. Bethany said, alright, I go back on my bed. That's when the day I lost.
Yesterday?
And I yesterday, no, that's how I got married be after. The day after when I got married, so Tuesday. This great little lawn and this ghetto little scheme.
Nice, isn't it?
Nice, it's lawn, of course.
Over there, so if they ever fix it up the right way, it wins.
I like she have no Irish. Because the road right now, so I want to carry back away, I'm here. I want to carry it away. Oh, you reach over there somewhere. Hello. You have Irish?
Yeah.
How much a pound? Half pound. You have $10?
Yeah.
When I said eggs, like, you know, we just try to make the customer send fee.
Alright.
Are they right now something like this for you?
I take me to put me back. Alright, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, now the container where they right here, so that now make that nothing now go and feet run away, you know.
Alright, so they know.
Yeah, na yard.
But nobody not really there Wyatt, and people live Wyatt have them vehicle where go out.
Or have them shop car and shop there through the lane when they want to walk go to road, they reach out to road.
Oh yeah, that shop with this one. From the container too. Somebody not really a good so if nothing. I discussed me could at least these people them. If they don't want if they say after their land and they don't want then they pay for free, tell them pay some little money. But through this somebody do something for land. Really? Not a backside.
They tell you about interest the money, you know.
The car just stop it on, like stop right our foot and look. Like the man just a stare in our face. And he knows that we're not going to work out, we're not dressed for you going to work. And we have scanned that bag in our hand, so he knows our shop we are coming from. But me, no. Jamaican, well, I'm not even going to say, I'm not classify as Jamaican. Men just thirsty and a hole.
Pre-wedding when you see me just
tell him hi.
Hi.
Yeah, you satisfied now? Huh? You satisfied now?
With apple little chicken, no? Yeah, I got chunks out there.
I'm gonna use this Ingles paint
need to brush my makeup addiction. I'm not gonna apply my products. This.
You know what I'm saying? Honestly.
You know, see that?
You want to go back?
You can't get yourself trouble, so. Last night she did energetic. Oh, because when she go over, she did energetic full of energy, Cheyenne? When she go over. I tell her boy, sweetie.
And then the one there, and say no, there no sweetie. None. Put this for my mind, see the day comes. When I drink some rum, I know too.
Really? Tomorrow at the party. You still go?
You gonna look pretty patchy, but one of I would just do makeup right now, man. You are supposed to get tea and glass and then come up here. What looks so close, I know. When you come supposed to do tomorrow?
No, you better say she got champs. You remember you saying that no clothes are gonna wear? All of a sudden, I'm going to have clothes to got champs now.
You look close. I said for a week, but now I try playing another one.
We not ask Cheyenne nothing, because for a week we said they could go somewhere. I no clothes for them. All of a sudden.
Best believe me, I got red.
Best believe we told we can go to Fish Cove. Saturday. How we not care better. Best believe. Come out there, you know. Come out, got champs and tell him, buddy.
Yeah, come on, fish clothes.
You're not want to do what?
Yeah, the last time you come got fish clothes, a good girl. What you say? You feel good?
Yeah, because Cheyenne is there. Because then time Cheyenne love God road. Every minute Cheyenne gone on road. You must see Yellows. Clarendon?
Clarendon, Betty. Oh, yeah.
One out there too. Everywhere in shipping himself gone.
Coming, Daddy. We're coming, Daddy. Daddy, I'm Queen Pepper. You must bow.
What are you watching? You know what you're watching? What are you watching?
Pepper.
Alright.
I'm your daddy.
That must be very interesting. Yeah, very good,
It's very interesting.
And what room
Whatever the pan YouTube, the pan.
This is the dinosaur room.
The dinosaur room.
You know, just eat easy, man.
Where is the dinosaur?
Why you can't watch one time? You have to search for something else.
He must be very small. Not like Peppa Pig.
Peppa is very big.
I'm son bad.
You sound bad?
Yeah, for true, I'm son bad like a Peppa Pig. Ah.
So we're heading to the river now, guys. Me, Cheyenne, and finally better than on the road with me. For once in our life, she's on the road with me.
I know a red person, you know. I know a red person.
No, it's the sun. No catch this one, yeah. That's why I'm brown. I'm brown in a good as chrome body. I don't want to see sun can't get drive. Finally, I'm gonna see her upon road with her. Don't. Jesus, please. Like a river. And you see we have to wait till the sun come down.
Guys, we can't manage
before we go to the river.
That's gonna come like an Egypt, ready.
Betty,
yeah.
When we come out here, so we go to the supermarket, right? One boy out here. Hey, well, no shot. Hello. You see all the shots.
Guys, when they answer.
Hello.
Them
you see all. Must be a big. Someone say, say that fully a yai? Fully a yai.
Just because you're not big then.
Jesus.
So somebody tell me, say me save a map one time when I never answer them. Please, answer me answer. Go in my bed, girl, me say. And then time they want you answer.
Yeah, that's why they're not trying to say something for Bunny. But we don't say nothing, we just ignore him till he turn back. Not gonna wait now, fella will come straight on us.
So guys, we're leaving off the scheme and we're going down to the Neverlands, the Riverlands. We'll leave a stone and tree and bamboo. When I see bamboo, I see no. Puppy, come. The other foot stick you still walk back away. Okay, we don't know where we are going, but in the sun.
I tell you, you think a shop we are go. You think you know how to promote. Yes, man, will trick you. A long time I come down there way, you know. Jesus, please.
Oh, the forest, I come down here, Sir Joan.
A long time. This is Riverside. No dog. You see, let dog come up, try back.
Then dog, you don't have to terrible like the people.
That's why people don't behave down here.
What?
I not even know who live down here no more.
Yeah, one day from one club, they might make right there.
He looks so.
They own look a fish school out down here.
Fish go, fish better than what am I get a fish?
River? Never say river.
See me I tell you say dog them.
Hey, turn back, you know.
Lord have mercy.
Why they so good?
Lord have mercy. Yeah, do one of them.
Me run the dog, you know.
Me not run, you know. Jesus Christ. I'm afraid of dog, you know.
Take your bike?
Me I go up on top of that car there. I swear me I reach up on top of it.
And if foot sticks, you know, so you can't run.
Me all afraid. No, I'm afraid of dog.
One stone, you know. I look up on it.
I'm afraid.
One time, you know, when I 3 years used to, when we used to come a river after, we were a little bit naive.
But she might go try fight the little dog.
You're not in for them puppy.
Yeah. Better than the adventurous one. You can show the way.
Yes. Bet ever dog.
Hello, no come say that me though. Don't come say that. Because me not take no. What you gonna people in yard for? Jesus, please. I'm more up and walk far from here so. Walk far.
This is the roundabout to river. The roundabout. Haven't been here in a long time.
Take up one
But I know my way. And we're heading to the inn. Normally with that ear water from here, now we're not even hear the water.
I see we still never know so that outside so.
You got to get big. Our apartment, you know?
Eh?
I saw it as a change
apartment?
this never there so. This new. A long time we're not gonna use it. Russia could have told about the weather yesterday.
Me know.
We said for walk
so. I don't know
where to go.
instead don't necessarily drive.
Don't you sir? Oh,
Don't
the bottom part I scheme this one.
So we don't have to go down there so we
Not even when no water no there seafood river no see me. I nah do it. So not. Me.
I better prefer goddamn.
Yeah,
you don't have none of Aisha song them for your phone? Or do you have Dovey Magnum song them?
One time, you know, I have one exam 9 o'clock in the morning, CXC. And JPS Jesus, please. Water commission, take away water. I just go jump the wall and teach some water from one neighbor. Yes, right? Somebody just jump the wall. So we hear little water. But then you say we for walk, you know.
I want walk. So you carry us so?
How we walk? You come like you don't want to see it. So how we walk? So we walk and go down.
Like that, oh it feels so good.
We almost reach.
No, let's see how we look on the foot.
Because me that rake up, but me that rake so my foot is dirty.
Yeah, well it me a ball out.
Yeah. Somebody come tell me you have to watch it now. When you step, now you say really change up for China. So one time yesterday I want deep hole. A long time I'm not going to go.
So we have to find deep. But Sandra said we must have to come down here and go up.
Up?
Yeah.
Up here?
Me don't know what you ask me.
That deep hole out there again, no? Is that?
Go test the water. He can't report back to me.
Feel one look at adventure.
So let's start now.
Wait, come in really? I want that? Bumbuckle.
Hey.
So I can't even afford to edit that. So that's a
Janga.
A Janga with paws and everything. And little whiskers. It's just ugly. No, true.
Like where that shit we fight nothing he can't eat.
Hey! Watch it, touch jump. That jump. What that look for, you know? And when I put them bigger than one.
That's always. One part always bigger than one.
Hey, me a buckle, me take it and fry it.
One janga?
And me can't catch them, you know.
Are you trying
Pull it back.
What if you throw water upon him if it go jump upon them?
If I go jump up and down, because water depend there.
I'm gonna try to go back under his feet.
You see him under the rock? Why them live underneath the rock them? That I always wonder.
Because it let the water not protect them.
Oh, smart and smart and have little brains.
Yeah.
Virgin. Same as saying disappear power now, you know. But see, we can't find it, you see it? Watch out, girl.
You just smash up the river.
You have to go down a tunnel to catch fish and anything, you know? So guys, this is our friend, Paji. Yeah. Paji, what going to river today? Yeah. No deep hole. Are the tractor man name do this, though? So now you normally make deep hole?
If the rain fall,
yeah. Oh. Now look at excitement. Normally we don't see enough people on the river. I makeup appointments with KK Necessary, guys. So you see that?
I will. You probably just stop right there first. You see it stop? You're not gonna talk further. You think you might?
Come on.
Him dog said no. The dog said no. The dog said no. He not come.
One time she said me bring him on in this thing.
But at one time, dog sit down. He might hear you, but he no business.
Come on.
Nastiest dog in the world. Cover you. Because if
yeah, come.
Finally.
Yeah, come on, yes.
The backside dog say water cold. They don't want to go no further.
But he must say it's deep. He must say it's cold.
Nasty.
Watch him. Come on. Marty, come down.
Go in. Go in.
One thing, you know, we never notice that the sun on the power, the river is normal.
Mm-hmm.
When an hour, when an hour.
Look like rain fall upstream or something. Cause water come down brown.
Come, yeah, look for me, you know, come in the water.
You know, make no sense to see on the river. We got them. I take the corner so wide. No, sir. Narrow. Come to them man here.
And that's your ugly look back.
The boy. Stop. Yes, stop, you know. Stop, like, you know, taking a little time driving it, top.
Top. And staying our face.
And staying our face and then drive.
And now what did they? So sometimes what they just breathe that one and then when they're shot it by one bus.
I'm going to pick her fast.
I didn't feel indicator because I got something there.
Mommy and I are going to work, babe.
Hi, we're going out again.
Yes, we will.
Mothers and daughters outing this evening.
Yeah, so we're going more. Well, not really more, babe. I don't know that's the name. But we're going out to chill.
Bonding again.
And then we'll head home. And as per usual, the place I get dark. how you go.
Mommy has to work.
Got to work. But yeah. We're going Fish Cove. Yeah. That's it. I put more at the place in him? Put more at. By the time we reach, they got dark, so I can't show no nothing. Hopefully, we can probably show no something. Hopefully. Because the place probably lit. But if not, can't show no nothing. Supposed to.
Hi, this is Marcia. And I am blogging as Rashika did. We're at Colonel Cove now.
Colonel Cove? You like Colonel Cove?
Oh, Fish Cove. The cove. I'm at a cove, which is actually Fish Cove. Kadeem and I are at Fish Cove. Kadeem is having steamed fish and I'm having brown stew. I love brown stew fish and brown stew whammy. Kadeem loves steamed fish and she loves fries, so she'll be having her steamed fish with fries. It's a nice ambience up here. I don't know if Kadeem wants to show you guys.
The fish is done to order.
We have already ordered fish.
We already choose a fish.
I guess you should have shown them, say you're choosing fish.
Name my money, because my elephant, yeah.
Money. Oh, Kadeem let the
I say Kadeem make it.
So oh my God.
Marcia Gale made.
No, the reason why I said that is because she keep beating up herself over it. I gave her a wrong pin and the machine swallowed the card. And my fault. We don't accept that my fault. I have to go
but
pay
I feel like it's my fault because I mean make it come out here.
But
me, I give you give me wrong number, me I give you car for go put it in and all of that. So.
And she's like, oh, you should look, you should whatever, and she's still going through a guilt trip. I don't know why.
Because you can't never did have to stop if they just put the right numbers together.
It's my fault. I accept.
Yeah, but I
my
mean,
fault.
if you did go there yourself, you would put it wrong.
Yes, but because I'm thinking that we could, you go quick and easy. You know, I was wondering why you say so. Like, why she say so?
I press the number, me I say, oh, it not work. Then I say, but I don't number you, me I press it. See, I see a number and I text message.
Anyway, I'll go tomorrow to get my card. I have to pay, I don't know how much. The last time I paid, possible more. I think the last time I paid $700 and that was
so I probably
years ago.
$1,500. So this is our food. Steamed fish with fries. Oh, it's steamed fish with fries.
I don't know. I know fried fish with fries.
And stew fish.
Yes.
With the bami.
Brown stew.
Brown stew. Oh, yes, yes, stew.
Brown stew.
Brown stew fish with bami. Do you talk about the okra?
Yes.
Now my steamed fish with my fries. I don't care. Steamed fish can go with, fries can go with anything. So that's what we're having. And then we're gonna chat. Are we supposed to leave in an hour? If the man remember we. He better remember because we have money. So when we finish eating, we'll come back to y'all.